Ladies and gentlemen, we are back. It is February. I've had a month off and I am back. Run VT Errol. I don't know if you can hear, but we are at my garage at home, and it's this that I got for Christmas, which I am trialing. I've been doing quite a lot of stuff trying to clean the carburetors up, and they went from being filthy to nice and clean. So they look like this, like that, and then 15 minutes in that little beauty, they come out looking like that. Amazing, amazing. So that is the manifold, the twin issue manifold for my car. The engine's nearly built. I've got some pictures I'll put up there and my face probably as well. But for today, this little beauty is cleaning the other carb. So that one's all nice and tidy. I've just got to get a rebuild kit for it. And the other one is in there. Whatever that means. But that's exactly what it was doing when I was doing the other one, beeping away and yeah. Anyway, so yeah, check this out. And I'll come back in a minute and show you. So as you can see, it is sizzling away. It's got this cleaner in it. So basically what I did is I put 4 jugs of hot water out of the tap, and then half a jug of this, and then topped it up with another half a jug of cold water. And that is in there. And we've got, well, it keeps going up. It's about 15 minutes anyway. And then I'll show you. Right. So, take that off. And let's have a little gander at this. So it's been in here for 15 minutes. Yeah, look. And it's knocked all the shit off of it. So, yeah, I'm pleased with that. Really pleased. That'll do. Jobs are good. Next, I've got these little bits. See these? See them? So they're going in. And next one. Right, so I'm going to put this manifold in as well. In it goes, like that. Right the way in. And flip them over. That like that. Standard and start. There we go. So we'll have another little look back in about 15 minutes.
A few minutes later.
Right, so that is 15 minutes. Let's just get these out. And there you go. It's coming out. Right, here we go. So yeah, probably needs a little bit more time, but you can see it's knocked all the crap off. Just got to get me my little, I've got a little toothbrush. I'll get my toothbrush. Right, there we have it. So it does clean up. It cleans the living daylights out of it. I mean, if you, I'll put a before and after picture of that, and you can see how well it cleans it. It also gets right inside. Now, apparently, I was always led to believe that you polish and make everything as smooth as possible, but that is not the case. You make it as rough as possible, so it agitates the mixture and makes it swirl round itself. Well, every day's a school day, as they say. Right, so I'm quite lucky because I've actually got two sets of carburetors. One that came off of, I believe, a Cooper S, and the other set, I don't know where that came from, but one of them's got a slight little insert in there. Can you see that insert? And the other one hasn't. That's the one with the insert is off the Cooper S, and they've actually been fettled so they all match with the manifold. So I'm probably going to use those ones, but yeah, we'll see how that gets on, because they were filthy. I mean, if you look down there, that's the other carburetor. I've dismantled that a long time ago. I've got some bits, but I'm going to get the Cooper S, the 1.25" rebuild kit, service kit for them. Comes with new jets, and I'm going to get the needles as well, or I think the jet is the needle. I don't know, but I'm going to go there in the week, and I'm going to ask and see what they say. Okay, these are in the dirty water. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to redo these and put them in new water in there with new cleaning stuff, and see, because obviously this is still a learning curve for me. I did all these in clean, they were clean, so obviously that one went in and it was nearly clean. That went in as well when it was sort of, the water was starting to get dirty, and it's knocked all the crap off of it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to re-put this back in and re-put that back in a later stage, I think, just to try it into the cleaner and see with nice clean water, rather than it was, I mean, it came out pretty much black. So yeah, right, on to some more. He's only turned up, tray plates on, and to get it over to mine, and then that means I've got more room in the workshop to do some bits and pieces. But he's just over there at the moment. Mind the gap. Right, and there's my car, and it's been sitting around, and it's started. We pumped the tyres up, and we're going to get it over to my house. Boom! Right, that's where I was up to. And then unfortunately, on the 24th of February, I woke up and I couldn't see my left eye, and it's been like it ever since. I've had to shut my work, and sadly I'm in the middle of clearing out this, not that I can see much, but so that's why there's been no Barkspeed videos for a little while. I've not been very well at all. I've lost nearly a stone, and my eyes are slightly better than what they were, but it's still very, very bright and very blurry. So be patient, and fingers crossed I will be back. I'm going to move everything over to my workshop at home rather than having a unit and a workshop, sadly, but I've done the painting, so that is just a case of getting my engine from Dave and putting it back. But I thought I'd do this little video just to say, so as it is at the moment, the last video I did was doing the carburetors, and then 2 days before my birthday I feel ill, so I'll be back, don't worry. And if you could subscribe, get the subscriptions up, that would be really good. Anyway, thanks and bye for now. Cheers.